and welcome to the tutorial that will show you exactly how to put a video onto this exact medium, which is YouTube. Welcome to this wonderful channel of ours. And so this is the actual channel that you will need to be invited to in order to actually publish anything on this. So the very first step that you need to do is make sure that you have a Gmail account. Once you have a Gmail account, which is very easy, most people already have them. If not, let me show you here. All you need to do is go to Google. You can either click a Gmail straight away right there, or you can click the grid pattern right here, and it will open up all the Google apps, and you'll be able to go there. Once you click Gmail, I believe I might already be logged into mine. Then all you have to do is click the account, just go down to Gmail, and it'll open it up. If you do not have one, then you'll be able to sign up. If you do have one, then it'll take you here automatically, and then you'll be able to tell me what your Gmail account is. So if you do have one, then awesome. Make sure that you either text or email that to me so that I can send you the invite or the invite. So, but once you get that, then the next thing that you will do is that you will actually you will go to your Gmail account, then you will accept the invitation. It should bring you right here to YouTube. If it does not, then all you have to do is type in YouTube into the bar. It will bring you here. If it does not have the Crandall ISD or the Crandall Compass Academy logo here in the corner, then all you have to do is click on it, because then it will, if it doesn't have this, then it will just have the first letter of your name. You'll click on it. You'll click which account that you want to go to. On this one, you'll pick the one that says Crandall Compass Learn, Think, Share. Then once you do that, then you will click on it again, and then you will click your channel. It will bring you here. What you do here, once you get here, is you will go to YouTube Studio. And right here in the upper right hand corner, you will upload videos. Now, this is whenever you're finally going to upload the video itself. Before, it's like, in order to actually get the video, I would highly recommend one of 3 different platforms. One is what I'm doing it on now, which is Zoom, because it makes it very easy to share the screen for you to be able to see and record not only what you see, but actually you still as well. It's a very good medium for screen sharing and for showing exactly what it is that you want to do on the computer. A similar one is Google Meets. This very same thing. You can record a meeting by yourself. You can share your screen. It does a lot of the same features in a lot of the same ways. Hi, this is me actually doing my 3rd attempt on this. First time it actually didn't share the original screen that I was trying to share with you. So this is me actually showing you the full screen of what I'm going to do with Zoom. So here you have the screen that you get whenever you open up a Zoom, any Zoom meeting. You'll come to this one. In order to make sure that you are able to save the Zoom file wherever it is that you need to save it, what you do is you come over here. As soon as you have it, open up Zoom, go over to the top right hand part of your screen where it says settings, click settings. Then you'll come down over here on the list of settings to recording. Click recording. From here, you will choose where it is that you would like the file to save. Once you actually do that, then all you do is you make sure that you can choose the location how to save a recording after the meeting ends. Make sure that is checked. Optimize for third-party video editor. Make sure that is checked. And then record video during screen sharing. Make sure that is checked. If all 3 of those are checked, you have chosen exactly where it is that you would like to save it. Then if not, then make sure that you have that. If not, then go ahead and choose a location that you would like to save it. I like to save it directly onto my computer, at least for video editing purposes, so that I don't have to worry about any kind of internet access trouble whatsoever whenever I'm editing the video. Now, obviously, whenever I'm uploading the video, then I need access to the internet, but for editing the video, then I don't need to worry about all of that because it's already saved on my computer. That's one of the reasons I like Zoom, and that's one of the reasons why I like it to save directly on my computer. If you choose to do it in Google Meets, then it automatically saves to your your Google Drive, and then you will have to access it through your Google Drive there. Once you do that, then you can download it in the video editor. You can put it in Dropbox. You can upload it directly from there to YouTube, whatever it is that you would like to do on that. But if for those of you that are choosing to do or to use Zoom, then this is what you do. You make sure all of that is clicked. Thank you very much. Hope you have a wonderful day. Those are the two major platforms that I would recommend. However, there is a third way that you can do it, which is just to film it on your smartphone. And then you can just drop that file into Dropbox, or you can save that to your Google Drive, or whatever it is that you would like to do off of your phone. By all means, go ahead and do that. So once you have finished your video, once you have saved it to wherever it is that you're going to save it, you will come to the YouTube account. Most video editors will have the option of exporting it directly to YouTube, which you can do. Makes it a bit easier so you don't have to open up multiple screens. However, if you want to make sure that it gets exactly where it wants to go, to make sure that some people have multiple or already have a YouTube account. So in order to make sure you don't upload it to the wrong account, then by all means, get onto YouTube, make sure that you are on the proper channel, go to YouTube Studio, come over here in the upper right-hand corner and click Upload Video. Once you do that, you'll be able to select a file. It will go ahead and select a file. Now, if you'll remember, mine is saved under Documents, so I will go under Documents, and I will go under Zoom, and I will be able to open up, and it saves it as 3 different things. One is audio only. You have a playback M3U video, but the one that you would like to choose is the MP4. Once you do that, then it will upload here. You will choose that, and it will upload the video. Once you do this, here are the details and the video elements. You'll be able to title it. You can go ahead and title it. I can even put in biology IGP. The descriptions the instructions for the portfolio project, whatever it is that you would like to include in your descriptions, you'll go ahead and click. You can even choose what thumbnail you would like, if you even care. It means you can select what playlists that you're going to do. There are no playlists available. If you would like to create a playlist for yours, if you're going to have multiple videos that you're going to upload, then I highly suggest creating a playlist so that you can have so that we can have a biology and a history and an algebra and English playlists. We can even have an announcement playlist, whatever it is that you're going to do. Once you've done that, you will click Done. Then go ahead and click Next. Video elements. Don't worry about that. Then click Next. You will select Save or Publish. You will select Public. Okay. So once you do that, then you will have, or it will be uploading the video here. Once you do that, you will click Publish. And once you do that, it will start uploading. You can even see here, it's actually 17% uploaded. It's actually already uploading in the background here. 13 minutes roughly left on doing that. So whenever I say that it's going to take several minutes for a video to upload, it will take several minutes for a video to upload. That is how you do it. And if you have any questions after that, then by all means, you can email me at kmorris@crandallisd.net, or you can give me a call. You have my number. If you don't, then I don't want you to have my number. Just kidding. But either way, if you have any questions, just let me know. And if you do not already have a Gmail account, set that up. If you have one, go ahead and email it to me or text it to me. That way you can get your own personal invite and we can begin this journey together. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a wonderful day.